Welcome to our lesson 3 of chapter 1. Chapter 1 still talks about factorization of polynomials. So lesson 4 talks about factoring sum and difference of cubes. But before continuing, let's settle first on the idea of cubes. Okay, so here we have 4 expressions and let's try to determine if they are cubes or not. We can say that an expression is a cube if we can form 3 the same factors out of that expression. So like x cubed, this is obviously a cube because we can just say x times x times x. So 3 the same factors. 2x raised to 6, 2 is not a cube because we can just, although x square can be split into x square, x square, x square, but because of the 2, this is not a cube. Number 3, 8 we can split it into, we can factor it into 2 times 2 times 2, and then the x raised to 9 we can split it into x cubed times x cubed times x cubed, resulting we have our factors of 8x9. We have 2x cubed times 2x cubed times 2x cubed. Since we are able to factor it in 3 the same factors, therefore that is x raised to 9 is a cubic expression. How about 27 x raised to 4? 27 we can say this is 3 times 3. It seems that. But x raised to 4 we cannot split it into 3 the same factors. So this is only like that. X square, x and x. So this is not a cube. So any cubic expression, if it's monomial, one term, if you can split it into 3 the same factors, I express it into product of 3 the same factors, that is a cube. If not, then that is not a cube. So yesterday we had our discussion on these identities. So this is sum of cubes because x cube is a cube, y cube is a cube. The operation is plus or addition that makes sum of cube, because our lesson talks about sum and difference of cubes. So this the first one is sum of cubes. The second one is difference of cubes. So we know that this one becomes, the identity becomes x plus y, then becomes x square, which is x, and x square is x cube, then y cube is just y and y square. So here, okay, so this plus. In the middle, if this is plus, we know this is minus here, and we simply multiply this one. That's xy. So the factors now are x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. The same so with difference of cube, they just vary on the signs. Okay, so this becomes, we know that x cube is x and x square, minus y cube is just simply y, and that's always plus here, y square. What's in the middle? If this is minus, the middle term is positive of that. So we have x and xy multiply it, so that is plus xy square. So let's apply this identity in our examples. So let's factor x cubed minus 1/8. So we know that x cubed can be factored into x times x square. So again, x cube is a cube, 8 is a cube. So minus 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So that gives us 2 times 4. So I'll use 2 times 4 here, 2 here, then plus 4 here. Since this is minus, x minus 8, so this is plus here. Then multiply this 2, that's 2x. This is now your factor. Number 2, let's examine first if they are really cubes. So 8 is a cube, x raised to 6 is a cube, 1 is a cube because 1 is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. Okay, 1 is a square, 1 is a cube. So we have the same idea. So we can split this into 2x, 2x, 2x. So we'll use 2x and 4x squared. So that's 2x 4x squared. Since this is plus 1, and here this is plus 1. Minus here. Since if it's plus, it's minus here. Multiply 2x and 1. Multiply this and that. So that is 2x. This is now your factor. 2x plus 1 times 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. Number 3, we have here 2y and 4y cubed square rather, and 27 is 3 and 9. So we simply 2y and 3 then 4y square and positive 9 there. Our problem is in the middle term. What's in the middle term? Middle term, since this is minus here, that's plus here. Then let's multiply 2y and 3. That's 6y. So this is our factored form. Number 4, we have 27. 27 is 3a times 3a times 3a. So that's 3a times 9a squared. 8b is 2b times 2b times 2b, and that is 2b times 4b squared. So simply that's what we're going to use. 3a and 2b, so that's 3a plus 2b. Then 9a squared plus 4b squared. Since the operation is plus, this becomes minus. What's in the middle term? The middle term is the product of this and that. So 3a times 2b is 6ab. So that is 6ab. That is now our factored form. 3a plus 2b quantity times 9a squared minus 6ab plus 4b. If you want to be sure of your answer, you can just distribute it using distributive property. Distribute, 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 then distribute, 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 then try to combine like terms. You will end up with this. Okay. Number 5. So before going to number 5, sometimes, so this is my number 5. So as you can see here, 2x cubed minus 16. On the first glance, okay, 2x raised to 6, 2x cubed and minus 16, it seems that this is not a difference of 2 cubes, because 2 is not a cube, 16 is a cube. But always go back to the very first step of factorization, which is to get the common monomial factor. So what is the common monomial factor here? That is 2. And this is 8. So as you can see, inside here, that's already difference of 2 cubes. And we will continue factoring that one. X cubed is x and x squared. 8 is 2 and 4. The middle term is the product of this and that, multiply them, so that's 2x. So this is our complete factored form. Complete factored form. So the same with 3a b cubed minus 3a. So it seems that, so the common monomial factor is 3a, and we have b cubed minus 3a divided 3a is 1. So b cubed is a sum of a difference of two cubes. B cubed is a cube, 1 is a cube. So we say 3a times, so b square is b and b square, that's minus 1. 1 is plus 1. What's the middle term? The middle term is positive. Multiply this, that's positive b. So this is our factored form. So this becomes number 7. So in this case, x plus 2 square minus 8. So we simply say that this one is, that's a cube supposed to be, x plus 2 times x plus 2 square. So there's one exponent here, then 2, that's cube. Okay, then 8, as well as I've said a while ago, we have 2 and 4. So how do we do this? X plus 2 and 2, that will be x plus 2 minus 2, because the operation in the main is minus. Then we have here, if you want to expand that, you have x square plus 4x plus 4. That's what we're going to put here, x square plus 4x plus 4, which is our first term. Since the operation is minus, this become the plus here, and there's plus also there, which is the 4. What's the middle term? Okay, the middle term here is the product of this and that. So multiply that 2 and x plus 2, that is simply 2x plus 4. So here we have 2x plus 4. So all of this we are going to combine the like terms. We have to combine the like terms as well here. So as you can see, x plus 2 minus 2, that's left with x square, then 4x and 2x gives us 6x, 4 and 4, that gives us 12. This is now our complete factor. So the same here again. Obviously you can say 27 is 3 times 9. So we have 2a minus 3 times 2a minus 3 square. So a square and a 1. If so that it won't be hard for you, you can just multiply it like that. Then you'll have 4a square minus 12a plus 9, because this is what we're going to use later on, the expanded one, to simplify further. So equals, so what do we do is this one and that one. So that's 2a minus 3 plus 3. Okay, 2a minus 3 plus 3, because the operation is plus here, so that's plus 3. That makes our here, which is this one, but we will not use this one because at the end of the day we have still to expand that. We will now use the expanded form, which is 4a square minus 12a plus 9. Okay, so then we have also this as our plus 9. This is minus, this is plus, sorry, so the here it's minus. Okay, multiply this one, multiply this one. We have 3 times 2a minus 3. You will have 6a minus 9. So this is 6a minus 9. So I'll have to we will have to make it clear a little bit here. Okay, this becomes bracket already. Okay, so we need to improve the writing first. So this one, again, let's go back. We need to clear out this one, that one, so that's here and here. We expanded this as this, that's here, then the 9 is here. Okay, where do we get 6a minus 9? 6a minus 9, the middle term. So as you can see, it's like this one, it's like the middle term here, it's like the middle term here. Okay, it's like the middle term here. Okay, so 6a minus 9, that's minus because again in our identity if it's this plus, that is minus there. Okay, then 6a minus 9 is simply the product of your first two terms. 3 times 2a minus 3, that's above, that becomes 6a minus 9. So 6a minus 9. So simplifying further, okay, simplifying further, 2a minus 3 plus 3, that becomes now 2a. Okay, 4a square has no similar term. Negative 12a, so we need to distribute first this one so that it won't be confusing. Minus 12a plus 9 minus 6a plus 9, because minus distributed to negative 9, that's plus 9, then another plus 9 for the last term. Okay, so we have 2a times 4a square, negative 12 and negative 6a, these are negative 18a, then there are 3 9s, that's plus 27. This is now our factor, complete factor, complete and simplified factor. Okay, so again, let's continue with our last problem, which is 7. Number 7, we have this one. So it will become a little bit bigger. Y plus 2 cube, it's like saying y plus 2, then another y plus 2 square here. If we need to expand it, we need to expand it later on. Okay, so minus, oh, this is plus, so that's plus. Then let me just y plus 1. So here we have y plus 1 square, no, 3. Okay, what is in the middle term? What is in the middle term? In the middle term, just multiply this together. So that is, I'm gonna go with red. So multiply this together, you'll have, yeah, just your middle term, and this becomes minus, so that's y plus 2 times y plus 2, no, 3, sorry. Then we need to simply combine y and y, that's 2y, 2 and 3, that's 5. Our next problem is expansion of that. Okay, so that is y plus 2 times y plus 2, that is y square plus 2y, 4y plus 4, y square plus 2y, 4y plus 4, so we need to write it here, y square plus 4y plus 4. This one, if we're going to simplify that, that's minus, we need to enclose it with parentheses. So we have y plus 2 times y plus 2, using our grade 7 approach, we have y square plus 5y plus 6. Okay, then plus again here, that is y square plus 6y plus 9. So we write it here, y square plus 6y plus 9. That's quite long. So let's distribute first this one so that later on we can just smoothly combine like terms. So we have y square, copy, minus y square, minus 5y, minus 6 plus y square plus 6y plus 9. So simply let us simplify further. Y square, so this becomes 0. It becomes 0. You are left with this, that is y square. Okay, 4y, negative 5y, and positive 6y. So that is the positive 4y and the positive 6y gives you positive 10, minus the 5y, that gives you positive y 5y. Then 4, negative 6, and positive 9. So the 4 and 9 is 13. Take out negative 6 of that, that is positive 7. So positive 7. This is now our complete factor of that. Okay, so that's all for factoring sum and difference of cubes.